at it again, so at the fish market I buy up some stuff. At it again as usual. Christmas time, Thanksgiving time, man, life ever busy, easy. Yeah, man, send the money come still easy. No, cook me cook for no. Send the dollars him come easy. How much for the catfish? What, $2.59 a pound? Get a catfish, you know. Here again with the boss is called to do what the boss do. Fish, chicken, turkey, mac and cheese, my beverage, shrimp, wow. And we had to load the mac and cheese with shrimp. And we had to do things right. And for me, you know, ingredients ready. Boom, see it there? Pepper shrimp in the making. Still a bubble, you know? Not ready to come off yet. Because you don't know the color them not change yet. You take off your head for them. Because the Yankee them not like, you know, shrimp head. But yo, get at me, bro. I don't know what I do, bro. Get at me. So tomorrow, Yankee people, Thanksgiving early. So let me build out my sauce on the wings them. If I don't know them style, you know. Honey, bourbon. You see it. The wings them are gonna beat there. Yeah. Oven jerk, I mean I bust no grill this year. Around for me, you know. Some turkey, well seasoned. Big old turkey neck. Oven jerk. Honey bourbon. Mac and cheese before me put it in. So I want to know if it's seasoned the mac, you know. Yeah, right before the oven. Yeah. Fish are fried. Season ready. Ramp with the chef family, you know. Before the oven. Ready before the oven. Jerk turkey, carved up, dipped in special sauce. See the pork there? Ramp with me, you know. Alright. Finished products them there. See there. Yeah.